Welcome patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are with Hans from Know How Sewing. I'm going to be doing another little Quiltopia sneak peek at one of our teachers for Quiltopia that's on the 3rd to the 6th of October down at Rose Hill. So Hans, how are we this morning?
Fantastic, fantastic.
Yes. And what are you going to be, where are you from? Let's go first. What's your business and what are you doing?
Well, I'm from Know How Sewing Essentials. I came to Australia in 1992 as a Pfaff sewing machine technician for domestic machines. I've been working with Pfaff and sewing machines for more than... I've done my apprenticeship with Pfaff in Germany in the factory. I came here as a service manager 3 years, then I advanced into sales, and then in the year 2000 I started my own company.
Wonderful.
Doing embroidery stabilizers and stuff like that.
Yep.
And then we done...
And we have the phone call. Busy man, he is very busy.
Some customers ringing,
yes,
they're going to get one call back and tell them the special price.
Yes.
And then I started doing Longarm machines.
Yes.
Now we started with Quilting, Longarm quilting machines, and now we got Grace quilting machines, and I do service any kind of Longarm machines, including Gamels, APQSs, everything is pretty much out there. What I will be teaching at Quiltopia is a quick reference how the customers, the quilters, can use their machines quicker with needles, threads, how to insert a needle, how to the tension,
all that sort of thing on the sewing machines and everything.
So, quick tips and stuff like that, and actually share the knowledge of servicing and maintaining and keep your quilting machine and frame to the best standard.
So the ladies will be able to book in for those sort of classes and lessons and everything as well. It's going to be one of those.
We've done already a few of them in the past and some other events, and Quiltopia is going to be the big one.
It's going to be the big one, We've got so many, not only international people, we've got a lot of local Australian great artists that are going to be here as well. So the Quiltopia website is up and running now, so you can book your tickets on there. Don't forget, guys, follow me on my YouTube channel, subscribe, and then hit that bell for the notifications for anything new that's up and coming. I'll be doing a lot of Quiltopia updates every week and that sort of thing. So if you've got anything new that's going to be happening, you can always grab me and we can do another little quick update to put on there to keep everyone informed. So you're going to be, we're going to be at Quiltopia the 3rd to the 6th of October. Watch out, at Rose Hill. Don't forget the Quiltopia website, I'll let them all know as to when they can book in for the classes and that on there. Look Hands up on the Know How Sewing website. He's also got a lot of things there. They're from Mittagong, okay? So down there at Mittagong, where it's pretty chilly there at the moment, but by the time we get to October, we'll be fine. All right, so that's another one of our teachers for Quiltopia, and thanks, Hans, for giving us a bit of time. And happy sewing.
Thank you.